On top with tori for today. Time don reach for South Africa to begin pay Naija back unto business matter wey dey clear for South Africa companies. Presido Muhammadu Buhari tok dis one for the inaugural meeting of the 9th Binational Commission wey shele for seat of government wey dey Union Building for South Africa. Nigeria and South Africa Binational Commission don tanda for almost 20 years, and dis na the first time wey the meeting dey catapult reach the level wey Presido of the two countries dem go ready carry their relationship waka far unto many deve matter wey go favour the two countries. Presido Muhammadu Buhari, when e dey tok for the opening of the inaugural section, e tok say South Africa companies wey dey Naija don dey enjoy better business level as Naija government policy on top business matter and market matter dem e dey favour the companies. E tok say time don reach make the two countries throway body well for investment matter, make the countries deve make for waka go up.
We are pleased to inform you that our government has made doing business in Nigeria easier through the Ease of Doing Business initiative to open up more opportunities for investors in Nigeria. We call on the government of South Africa to also take steps to ease the doing of business in the country and open up its market space for Nigerian businessmen and women. We are determined on our part to sustain the renewed vigor of the strategic partnership between Nigeria and South Africa, anchored on regular consultation, collaboration, and cooperation.
Dis meeting so continue as dem submit progress report on top the 32 agreements and memorandum of understanding wey the two countries don begin sign for all these years, as e tanda on top trade, dan and market matter, industry, science and technology, defence, agriculture, energy, transport and tourism. The two leaders tok say dem don ready gidigba to see say dem do all wetin dem don dey agree on top, and see say the ones wey dem never start dem begin am, and the one wey dem don start for all these MOUs dem complete am. South Africa Presido Cyril Ramaphosa come still use dis ogbonge opportunity to take salute Naija government unto the way wey dem take help South Africa to take get their own freedom as dem comot dem for the hand of the people wey first dey suffer dem before.
We are in the process of further deepening our reforms so that we can make it a lot easier for our economies to be open to businesses. We want to welcome more and more Nigerian businesses to operate in our space. South Africa has a number of large corporations that operate in the Nigerian market. In the South African market, many of them are small and medium enterprises. We want to address this imbalance so that we have more and more slightly larger Nigerian companies coming to operate here. And the various incentives that we have as a government will obviously also be available to them.
We agreed on the need for us to strengthen even further our cooperation in areas such as peace building, good governance, and sustainable development in Africa in order to deliver the Africa we want. We have also committed to reinforcing our leadership role for peace, security, and development in Africa.
Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top the 3-day state visit wey Presido Muhammadu Buhari waka go South Africa to take follow Cyril Ramaphosa yarn on top many matter. Now in Presido Muhammadu Buhari don take tell South Africa government say time don reach make dem begin dey show Naija better appreciation unto the way South Africa business and their company don dey waka far for the country. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im bring am come gidigba come give una. To continue to dey get this sharp and clear informate as e dey shele for we country, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe to we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV, and now still follow us waka enter Facebook for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com to dey get ogbonge informate as e dey shele.